Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to rename a project inside of Microsurvey's FieldGenius for Android. So what I've done is I've opened up my project screen here, and you can see that I have several projects in front of me. I can either open up a project, I can delete it, I can select multiple projects, I can do a whole host of other things. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the three dots to the right of a project. That's going to open up my project options here. I'm going to select rename, and I can now give it a new name. In this case, I'm going to call it Renamed Wingate, and I'm going to hit save here. And you can see once I do that, I now have this new name on top of my project. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you rename a project inside of FieldGenius for Android. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.